Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a mobile home clean with me video. Thank you guys for tuning in. So first I started with my daughter's room. She just kind of had her toys everywhere. Table was nasty. I had to mop and sweep the room. So she takes milk and she just kind of puts it everywhere when she has it in her bottle because it leaks. So yeah, I had to get all of that up. But her room turned out very well. So it looks a little cluttered, but it has a lot of character. I really love it. When I redo her room, I want her to be old enough to tell me what she wants. So she's had these designs since she was a baby, and I think, or decorations since she was a baby, and I think they look good for a baby's room. So, and she has a sliding door, and yeah, so her room is cute, functional for her. All right, now we're moving on to the bedroom. I had some clothes that I had to fold, and I made the bed, and I vacuumed the floor. So, yep, that is a bed that I got from Wayfair. I really love the bed. I changed the color concept in the room. I want a more neutral vibe. So, that's what I came up with. And it turned out pretty good. The room is small for a master's, but, I mean, we really love it. It's functional for us. Boom. What do you do in the room? Sleep, watch TV, chill. We have a chair, a bed, and a TV. That's all you need. We bought these two dressers because, as you know, we didn't get closets built in to the rooms because they were kind of already small. So we're going to do outdoor closets and a storage when we get that. That door right there is our bathroom. We are going to get that door painted black and redone. So you guys will see that on a video. This chair is comfortable. I was just showing you. And it has an LED light on the bottom. It reclines. Put your cup, your remote, whatever you need there. So, we love it. Over there, that's just our AC unit. And that's the ceiling fan I was showing you. So, yeah, I love this room. And I just want to show you guys how tall the headboard was. It fits perfectly in that spot. Okay, now we're moving on to the den area. I swept off all the dirt, all the crumbs that was on the couch. I got all of that off. And I took off all the pillows and pulled them off so I can clean that area up and clean inside the couch. Because, you know, you're not really tending to be nasty, but it's just a lot of little crumbs. Oh, that's my daughter getting the vacuum, always in the way. So I spot cleaned the couch with some detergent and some water, so those why the wet spots are there. So yeah, and then this is it. After I cleaned up, it looks really good. Very functional space. That's where we watch our movies and we do more our chill time there. So I really like this room. It's the room that we're in all the time. So it's like a family room, den room, movie room, whatever you want to call it. And that little chair over there, I know it looks cluttered, but you can sit on that chair and probably feet up on the couch, and we love it. That's my dog's, her little area there. Her name is Callie. So, yeah, but she's in this area. You can close up the curtains. Okay, so this is my wine and bar area, and also you can sit down, read a book, you can watch TV. You can sip you some wine, need some quiet time. So I just made that little area into like a nook area. And I really, really love it. We don't watch a lot of TV over there, but I haven't read a book in a while. But that's usually where I read my books and just chill out. So really love that area. I think it's cute. I think it's functional. So we love that. And it's a little wine refrigerator down there on the ground. So when I find somewhere to put it right now, that's where it's going to stay. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for that area. Just showing you how it's decorated. It usually don't get too dirty because we're not over there a lot. We're going to add fish to our fish tank, too. But, yep, I really like it. It's cute. Okay, yeah, we're on the dining room, and I just showed you with it clean. The kitchen is not painted yet. We got to get the kitchen painted. We're going to add more more cabinets so we can clean off the countertops. So the countertops has a lot of things on it. Yes, my baby chair is a little nasty. That's just how it is. I mean, she get food everywhere. So sometimes she sit there, and believe it or not, sometimes she sit at the table with us. So that's pretty much the kitchen right now. Like I said, it's not my favorite room in the house because it's not done yet, but it will be soon. We're going to get it painted and everything, so I'm super excited about that. This is the living room. It's usually not, it doesn't get dirty. Like, we don't sit in there. We don't do anything in there. So I was just showing you the fireplace, and pretty much you don't have to do anything in there. Probably sweep up around. That's pretty much it. So that's pretty much stays clean. And that's the end of the video.